Hello friends, welcome back to MiniatureDiecast. Today we have got something truly iconic to unbox. Hot Wheels Shelby Cobra Daytona Coupe in Gulf livery. Let's start with the packaging. As usual, nicely packing. This one is from 1/64 scale Hot Wheels Mainline Race Day Series 2024 N case. Alright, let's get this beauty out of its box. And here it is, legend of 1960s motorsports, the Shelby Cobra Daytona Coupe in all its glory. Look at that sleek aerodynamic design and those iconic curves. Hot Wheels has done an amazing job staying true to the original car's details. Taking a closer look, the casting looks awesome in the legendary Gulf livery. Whole body is made of metal. Chassis is plastic made. No headlight details in front of this car. Both sides of this car have Gulf branding and Goodyear tires branding. Race car number 3 and side exhaust pipes. No tail light details at rear section. Nicely painted in blue and orange stripe from hood to top of the car. Gulf branding in front of the hood. There is a spare tire in back. Chassis is plastic made and have car manufacturer details. Made in Malaysia. Wheels have no rim details on it. Let's do a roll test. Wheels are rolling nice. Well, that's it for today's unboxing. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Hot Wheels Shelby Cobra Daytona Coupe. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I'll be back soon with more amazing unboxings. Until then, keep the wheels rolling.